Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can add poll on Facebook Reels. So the very first thing that you need to do is open your FB account, and from here you just have to tap on this create reel. So from here you can scroll down and look for the video or photo that you want to create as reels, and then you just have to click on it. So let's say for example I'm going to click on this one. Then you just have to tap on next. So here, when you scroll a bit, you will see that there's an option where you can add a poll. So you click on that and you can add what question that you want to ask to the people or to your viewers. So let's say for example, we're going to copy this. What should I create my next reel about? So just have to type that in. My next reel about, but it depends on you guys on what question that you want to ask. So let's say for example that question, and then from here you can add the poll option. So from here you can add years, let's say funny videos and stuff like that. So once you're done, you just have to tap on save at the very top right, and that will be added when you're going to tap on share now. And that's how easy it is. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!